third position. Okay. So as this is soft nucleophile, that one will add to the soft carbon-carbon soft site of the Michael acceptor carbon-carbon double bond. In this way, this reaction is going to occur. So you can see here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so number addition occur via 1,4 addition pathway, conjugate addition pathway. So carbon-carbon single bonds they have broken and form, and carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon pi bond, it has been broken. Okay, so this is the again general reaction. Now this is the, now we will go for the mechanism, step first, step second, and step third. So it's very easy actually. So in step first, as usual, we have seen Michael, we have to generate nucleophile first from the Michael donor. Okay, so Michael donor is nothing but the acts as a carbanion, acts as a nucleophile. So active methylene, active hydrogen, we have to abstract this active hydrogen or acidic hydrogen by base. So this is nothing but the acid base reaction. Okay, so the acid base reaction occurs over here, and after acid base reaction we do generate this enolate form. Okay, so carbanion, you can say carbanion, and carbanion is then transformed into the enolate form. Okay, so the nucleophilic, now once we got enolate, okay, so then we can add. So see, pay attention over here. Once enolate got formed, but attack occurs via this negative charge which is placed on this carbon atom. Okay, so again this negative charge which is placed on the oxygen, that one is coming behind, in between carbon oxygen, and this lone pair attack on the uh, f- uh, first position of the carbon carbon double bond. Okay, so in this way it is a 1,4 conjugate addition across alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group. Okay, so this is the thing, nucleophilic addition type process, and in that way we got this type of adduct here. Okay, so we cannot, or we can say intermediate here. After once we attack here, this carbon carbon bond shifting between carbon carbon, and lone pair is created on the oxygen atom. Okay, and this type of, and again acid workup, why we need here now acid workup. So after treatment with acid, this lone pair is shifted in between carbon oxygen, and this carbon carbon double bond, it abstracts proton from your acidic solvent. Okay, so once that one is abstract proton, we can get this type of our Michael adduct. Okay, so this is very simple reaction. You have been so many times through this reaction, and do it well for your final examination. Again, the some summary of this Michael addition reaction I have taken here. So conjugate addition reaction and reactions with enolate. Okay, so 1,5 enolate generated from 1,5. So how the enolate is generating, what, which is in tautomerism, or everything I have written here. So conjugate addition or Michael addition. So Michael, the another name for Michael addition is the conjugate addition reaction. Okay, so the here we have generated carbanion, and Michael donor is here, Michael acceptor is here, alpha beta sorry carbonyl group, and this carbanion is getting attack on the soft site of the alpha beta saturated carbonyl group, as it acts as a soft nucleophile. Okay, now this structure, this carbanion, we can represent by the enolate structure. Okay, so this is the tautomer of this one by shifting of the lone pair, and again here we can form enol. So enol, we can represent this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group in form enone also, and by shifting of carbon carbon this bond, we can generate positive charge over here. That means we, this is more susceptible for this nucleophilic enolate attack. Okay, so both way you can represent it by both way. Enolate form in, you can attack in form of carbanion on alpha beta saturated carbonyl group, or you can attack in form of enolate on the enol. Okay, so the same both thing you can represent, and go for this intermediate, and again acid workup, you can get this enol form. Okay, so enol form, again we got 1,5 dicarbonyl compound, but that one also we can represent in form of the enol. Here is the tautomer, but pay attention at the arrow. Mostly the this keto form predominantly present enol form is arrow is very small, so small amount of enol form you can find in your reaction mixture. Okay, so predominantly you will get 1,5-dicarbonyl compound instead of enol form. Okay, so this is the another way, or all these what in which way form enolate form you can attack. In enol form you can represent your starting material, so like that. Then one more representative reaction, the same thing I think. The 1,5-dicarbonyl compounds we can synthesize via conjugate addition, and alpha beta, here they have taken alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and active methylene, again ester is there, active methylene, sodium methoxide as a base, again the same thing, intermediate we got protonation and this thing. So this whatever they have got, they have done some processing and they got uh, aldehyde plus carboxylic acid as a final product. So you can process what, once you got Michael adduct, you can process anything for the next target molecule. So this is the beauty of the Michael addition reaction. Hope this will help you.